I have the pleasure of welcoming Dr. Anubhav Agarwal here at the DAMS Meet and Ask session 2021. A wonderful person with me who has got a great score of 625 and a rank of 1210 in the NEET PG 2021. And also a rank 4 in JNMCH AMU Aligarh. Great performance, sparkling numbers. Welcome, Dr. Anubhav Agarwal. I hope you're feeling good about your success. Kindly share that with us also.
Thank you so much for welcoming me here, and it's my honor to be here and to be able to express my gratitude towards an institute that I have always invested in for my PG preparation.
Dr. Anubhav, you have mentioned that you joined DAMS in the foundation course, but in our informal talking before this interview, you told that it was practically pre-foundation. I think you're the best person to tell us because you have transformed into a great person as a practicing medical professional now. And when you joined DAMS, that time you were just a student, probably in the second year or third year. Tell us, how was your journey with DAMS?
First of all, speaking that when I was in the first year of medical college, I had this great confusion about this PG entrance exam, that how tough it's gonna be. It's gonna be an all-Indian exam, and how am I going to approach this exam? But when I entered my second year, then I got the opportunity to join the DAMS pre-foundation course, as it was available in via the satellite course in Aligarh, but it was still live. So I just joined it and attended 1 or 2 lectures of anatomy, and I remember that Dr. Pradeep sir at that time was teaching the anatomy, and the way he taught the anatomy, the 1 or 2 classes just made me a fan of this himself, and as well as the institute who were teaching. So crisp notes and so crisp understanding that I felt that I could revise this subject in a proper time of 2 weeks without making very much unnecessary exploration into sources which are not relevant for PG entrance exam. And crisp notes, that is the most important.
And subsequently in your prof also, when you were about to take the second prof and then later on the third prof also, were you able to gauge your assessment that yes, I am going to do good in my profs because of the DAMS assistance, or it was after the prof you realized yes, it has helped me?
Frankly speaking, in the first year, I was the topper of my college and I secured 3 gold medals in anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. But speaking about the MCQ level of knowledge, I didn't feel that I was at par. But when I joined the pre-foundation course, it started boosting me up academically as well as for the postgraduate entrance exam. And then as I gradually entered into the pre-foundation course, eventually my habit became that I used to read the DAMS notes for my professional exams as well. And even I started skipping reading those those kind of textbooks which are just meant for passing the exams, because I felt that if I read the notes I can get the concepts easily, and then I can apply them and read the standard books, which help me boost my academic performance as well, apart from giving me an extra edge in the PG preparation for NEET PG 2021.
So that preparation was not just a preparation, it gave you a boost also, and you were able to think and expect more from you, and you got that in the professional exams also. Well, wonderful. I'm talking to Dr. Anubhav Agarwal here, who's got a score of 625 and a rank of 1210 in the NEET PG 2021 and a rank 4 in JNMCH AMU Aligarh. Wonderful. Every time I read this, I really feel happy and glad to have met you today. Dr. Anubhav, just tell us something more about the evaluation system, the exams and the test the DAMS gives to its students for brushing up as well as while you're preparing.
Yes, that's an integral part of this medical education system, that if you are not evaluating someone on the basis of what he has read, then it is kind of a waste, because if you don't evaluate, you are not assessing that how much you have gained from that. So basically for that DAMS organized all the class tests for the various subjects as they were completed in the class. So I followed the class tests and I found that if I read the notes properly and comprehensively, then I was able to get a decent rank in those. Although it was not as good, but still I felt that yes, I can do it. If I read it more times, more number of times, then I can get better and better. And that eventually it became a kind of addiction for me to attend the DAMS lectures, sit there for 4 hours, burn out my brain, make the notes, and then go home and then read them. And it kind of became a habit, and I got absorbed into it eventually. And that's how I even when I was attending some of the clinical classes like medicine and obs gynae in the final year, and believe me, the motivation Dr. Deepthi ma'am gave and Dr. Sumer Sethi sir gave, that was just enough to boost me and think and make me think that yes, I can do. then yes, I can do something extraordinary at the all India level.
And I would say that was not addiction, probably. It was a positive habit that you developed, coming to dams and, working up, burning yourself out and getting best out of yourself when everybody else is probably not thinking that way. Your temperament definitely makes you different from the people you are along with. Well, that's wonderful to know. And also, if you can just brief us a little about the DVT that DAMS conducts and the CBTs that we give to the students, for the final brushing up and, while preparing and giving them the right platform to, assessment for their own assessment. So, can you just give a brief on that? How was your experience with these things?
Yes, first of all, I would like to definitely talk about the CBTs that DAMS organizes. See, I have given grand tests and CBTs on many different platforms. To be honest, I have given many. But the one thing which I felt was distinguishing is that the percentile which I got in the DAMS CBT was exactly the mirror image of what I got in NEET PG. So I think that's the biggest picture that a DAMS CBT can give any student preparing for PG entrance exam. Because many types of duties are available which you give, they are based on some biased pattern, I think, that they are not able to give you a reliable assessment. But when I gave the DAMS CBT, believe me, at that time I felt the percentile I was got was slightly above 99 percentile. That made me believe that yes, I am on the right path and I am not distracted, and whoever else is saying, I just let it go off and just believed on the DAMS, that I have the faith that I had instilled in myself over the years, going through and through the DAMS notes that helped me reach this landmark today which I am experiencing.
One of the milestones that you have achieved. There are many to come, believe me. And Dr. Anubhav Agarwal with me in this session. He has come to attend the Meet and Ask session 2021 at the DAMS campus. How about a little, insight about the DAMS study material that has been given to you?
I would definitely like to talk about the CRS that the DAMS provides along with the class notes. So basically, when you read the class notes, sometimes you feel that yes, all the questions are not coming from class notes. You have to get some extra knowledge. So for that, you have to read the CRS. That is just like important pearls that you can get to get an extra edge over the others. But yes, you have to keep the basic as the class notes, which will give you the bulk of the preparation, which in all India national exams like NEET PG and INI CET ask the questions. They are maximum from the bulk of the notes. But still, if you want to get an extra edge, then yes, you should definitely read the CRS and definitely the talking CRS, which is also available, which makes things a bit easier to understand.
And these are unique things, definitely, and DAMS is the only institution who is working so hard day and night to help our students to get the best what they think they can do in life. Have you made up your mind, Dr. Anubhav, which branch you're going to take, or you're still evaluating?
That's a tough question, and I must say that till the counseling is over, that it's difficult to predict one branch. But yes, I am a little bit more inclined towards taking radiology, as I've always considered Dr. Sumer Sethi sir as my mentor, and the way he does things is just unique, and I want to become like him. That's my instinct, that what I feel.
Wish you all the best with that. And one more question that comes to my mind is, you come from JNMCH AMU Aligarh. What is the trend in your college? I mean, students, they start preparing early for PG, or were you an exception for that?
At the time that I joined the DAMS, it was just 2 or 3 years that the satellite center had opened in my city, which is not considered a very big city, to be honest. It's not one of the metro cities in the state. But yes, as it opened, I just took the initiative. Sometimes you have to take the initiative on yourself. You have to just try new things and get to see that what works the perfect for you. And believe me, this was the best experiment which I did in my life, was to join DAMS at the pre-foundation level, because that is the time. If you invest, then you can get an extra edge over the others, because you see, all people are working hard in their final years, their internship, they're more working on the clinical stuff. But what you do in the preclinical and the paraclinical subjects is what gives you the extra edge while preparing for the NEET PG entrance exams. I suffered from a very hectic internship and tough times during the COVID. Yes, I had to do COVID duties, and it was very tiring, sweat and all, PP kit and all. But at the end of the day, when I went home and read 1 or 2 hours of just reading the notes, attending the TND sessions, that made me boost up, and that rejuvenated my spirit, which was some somewhere, it was somewhere dwindling in the times of COVID. But yes, the TND classes which I did regularly during my internship, they kept me motivating, they kept me going through, and they kept me fighting and fighting.
And you have definitely come out victorious. Well, it was wonderful talking to you. Before we wind up this conversation, Dr. Anubhav, anything you would like to tell your juniors about joining DAMS? How soon they should do it, and what is the right time to join DAMS?
Well, I must say that the sooner you do, the better it is. That's the one what I would like to say. But yes, I would also like to lay stress on the various materials and platforms, online platforms that are available in the market. And what I personally feel, that might not be the right advice for everyone, but what I personally feel is that giving lots of extra material which is not even relevant for national exams is not worth it. You are not creating an intellectual way of thinking. That's why I have invested more in DAMS, because their notes are very crisp, easy to retain, and they make you think intellectually while you are attempting a question. It's not that like everything they give and that directly they ask, they give something, then they make you apply something. That's what I think needs to be a good clinician, and that's what I found that DAMS was able to provide me, which no other platform could.
Well, it's wonderful to know all the inputs that you have given to us, our listeners here. Thank you very much, Dr. Anubhav Agarwal. It was great talking to you. You have scored a score of 625 in the NEET PG 2021 and a rank of 1210. And not just that, a rank of 04 in JNMCH AMU Aligarh. Wish you all the best in whatever endeavors you take up in life. God bless you.
Thank you so much. Pleasure is all mine, and I would like to thank all the DAMS faculty, my mentors, and my parents, and the Almighty for the success I have reached at this point of my life. Thank you so much.